This is shop notes for Wednesday, March 23rd, 2022 at 9:41 a.m. and it's 54 degrees outside. Every morning that I get to the shop for the last month or so, when I can, I make a fire and start my day that way. And as the birds have been returning, about a month ago, I started seeing this cardinal up in a tree singing its song. It was always up on one of two branches every morning. And I would always look for it. And now I can kind of recognize a cardinal's call. And this morning, I get to the shop and make a fire, and I look up and I don't see the cardinal and I don't hear the cardinal. And I start looking around and I see two cardinals on the ground. And one's chasing the other one. And I just smiled real big. I don't know anything about birds. None of this could be true, but it feels good. And I just said, "Oh, good job, buddy. You sang your beautiful song and it worked. You attracted a mate. That's fantastic."